Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated step by step clearly. Begin by researching ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated. Visit the company's official website to gather basic information. Look for their latest press releases and financial reports. Check reliable financial news sources for recent developments. Create an account on a stock trading platform if you don't have one. Choose a platform that offers access to ChargePoint shares. Ensure the platform is regulated and fits your investment goals. Fund your trading account with the amount you plan to invest. Consider starting with a small investment to minimize risk. Analyze ChargePoint's stock performance by reviewing historical data. Examine price trends and trading volume to gauge investor interest. Read analyst reviews and opinions about ChargePoint's future. Identify the right time to invest based on market conditions. Place a buy order for ChargePoint shares through your trading platform. Choose between a market order or limit order based on your strategy. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Keep track of ChargePoint's financial performance and market news. Adjust your investment strategy if necessary based on new information. Consider setting a target price for selling your shares in the future. Review your investment portfolio periodically to assess overall performance. Stay updated on regulatory changes affecting electric vehicle companies. Engage with online investment communities for additional insights. Remember to remain patient as good investments often take time to grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.